Hi, welcome to the Hava Environments Dashboard walkthrough. So what we're looking at here is the Environments Dashboard that shows you all of your connected data sources or cloud accounts, and then all of the diagrams that have been created as a result of either connecting cloud accounts and having them automatically discovered, or by building different diagrams on the fly using the query box up the top here. So what we have is the ability here to filter the diagrams that are displayed. So this purely just condenses down the list of viewable diagrams that meet that particular name criteria. So we've got default here. What we also have is the ability to show empty environments. So if you connect a cloud account that has, say, a VPC that's been created but has no resources configured, then you'll end up with an empty environment, as we can see here. So we'll generally leave those not displayed. And then likewise, you can switch off data sources. So if you're only interested in, say, seeing the Azure environment diagrams, you could switch off everything else. And then just leave yourself with the diagram and data sources that you're interested in. So across on the collapsible left hand menu here, we've got the data sources that have been connected. So we've got a few in here. What you can do in this particular screen is request a manual sync. So as a default, Hava will go off and poll your cloud account settings once a day. So you can hop in here and immediately sync if you've just rolled out some changes and you want to see updated diagrams that reflect that straight away. You can hop in here and request a manual synchronization, which will then queue that up, and then you'll get a fresh set of diagrams created. You can also here sync all, so that will does what it says on the tin. It will synchronize all of your connected accounts. So back to the environments. We have up here is the ability to create diagrams on the fly. So here you can go off and search all of your connected data sources for particular regions, name tags, VPCs, subnets, and so forth, that will create diagrams on the fly. So for instance, if you had two VPCs you wanted to see on the same diagram, then you could create a on the fly query that will create a new diagram for you. And then also, once that diagram is saved, then it's treated just like any other automatically discovered diagram set, in that it will poll and sync daily based on the query. It will update diagrams when changes are found. It will also retain a version history, so if changes are found, then a snapshot is taken of the superseded diagram that's placed in a fully interactive version history that you can go in and query at any point that in future that you like. Down through here, you've got the different types of diagrams. So we've got infrastructure diagrams, security diagrams, list views, and container views. So again, this environments will show everything. These ones will just filter down the different types of diagrams. Across on the top here, we've got personal settings. So if you hop in here, you've got your user settings, the ability to change your password. Through here, you've got email settings, so you can add additional email addresses for notifications. And then we've got the API access token here that you can hop in and acquire via this personal settings screen. Then we've also got either accessed here or via the settings button here, the account settings. So here's where you can hop into your account details. You can cancel your account here if you were looking to do that. You can also hop into billing and change your plan, and then look at your team settings. If you've got teams configured, you can look at that here as well. The last item here on the left-hand navigation menu is reports. So this is currently the AWS compliance reports. So these go through your configuration, looking at your AWS Well Architected findings. So it compares your configuration with what it believes is best practice, and then reports back any findings that are either high priority, medium or low. So we're looking at different reports here that you can then drill into here. So we've got a policy there that's letting people look at this S3 bucket when it probably shouldn't be. So that's the reports. Going back to environments. We've also got up here full set of help docs, so you've got everything from you getting started, how to connect your AWS accounts, some quick start guides on everything that's available. And finally, down in the bottom right, we've got a chat widget. So that's our real humans are monitoring this. Support chat. So if you've got any questions at all, you can hop in there at any time and get some help. So that's the environments dashboard. Thanks very much for watching.